Good old egg salad. Eggs have been boiled, rested in cold water. Now we're gonna peel them. Peel them up. These are kind of fresh, so sticking a little bit, but not bad. I have found that if you crack them a little bit before you put them in the cold water, kind of helps, which I've already done so, but crack them some more. And if you roll it a little bit like that, then the shell will usually just kind of peel right on off. It's just kind of ripping right off. And since I make an egg salad, I don't care if they get a little bit not pretty. I don't really care about pretty anyway, but I didn't roll this one as much, so it's kind of got a big chunk stuck on the bottom, but it's still coming off decently. There we go. Let's see, we'll roll this one a little more. Make sure it's good and cracked. Roll it. It's all, it kind of loosens that shell with some of the water that's underneath it. And just look at it, just coming right off of there. Simple. All right, wash all the little excess shell pieces off. Good. Egg salad, basic. Mayonnaise. I use 2 mustards. You don't have to. I like Dijon and yellow. A little bit of pickle juice in there because you got to have that little bit of acid. Onion powder, just a little. Garlic powder, a little, because it's, you know, strong and it's eggs. Salt, pepper, dill weed, and paprika. All of that's kind of optional. You can just use whatever you want. The basics really is mayonnaise and mustard, salt and pepper, and you could be fine with just that. So, I do like to dry mine off. I don't want them excessively wet. So, dry these off a bit. I used 4 eggs today to make 2 sandwiches. Do pretty much everything the simple way and the least amount of dishes because I do not have a dishwasher. I am the dishwasher, so could use a cutting board, but all the hands are fine. If that's too messy for you, you can always just cut it like that. I usually cut it in 4s, turn it sideways, and just start cutting little pieces. Sometimes I'll cut it in 6s or 8s, but don't really matter. No rhyme or reason. Just cut it up. Not gourmet, not professional, just eat. Depends on how wet you like it. Eggs don't really take, like potato salad takes a ton of mayonnaise, but eggs don't really take a whole lot. So, I don't know, I guess that's probably about maybe 2 or 1.5 tablespoons would be my guess. Shake it up so you don't get all the water off the top of the mustard. I've done that many times. I'd say that's about a 1/4 to a 1/2 teaspoon. Yellow might be slightly less, depends on how mustardy you want it. Some people like it more mayonnaise-y, some like it more mustardy. I just want to eat, I don't really care. Sprinkle a little onion, a little garlic, a little salt, a little pepper, a little dill. Basically, it's the same thing you would put in potato salad too, or deviled eggs. A little paprika. Some people just put that on top for pretties. I'm not looking for pretties. And a little pickle juice. Like that little bit of acid. Alright, I think that's everything. Mix it all together. Very simple. I pre-boiled my eggs. You can use the stove, any type of steamer, but I used my handy dandy, whoops, Dash egg cooker. I really like this. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like it has a shadow there. Anyway, I'll put a picture to it. Love that thing. It works great. You have to poke a hole in the bottom of the egg. They give you the little thing to poke it with. And it's fine. Fill up the water, push the button. You don't have to watch and make sure and time it to see if they're done and all that. I love that egg cooker. It's very handy. Alright, there you have it. Egg salad. Very simple. Oh. I guess I do have them both on. Slap it on some bread and you're good to go. Lunch is done. If you like extra mayonnaise, put it on your bread. Put lettuce, tomato, nothing, whatever. I think I'm just going to slice an apple today. And that's it. Four eggs makes 2 fat sandwiches. Now, this is a nice fatty. Good to go. Nice fatty. Alright, there's one. And here's 2. You can pre-make it ahead of time, of course. I don't really like mine cold, just like potato salad. I like mine kind of room temp or a little bit warm, but it doesn't really matter. It's easy to make ahead of time. Or if you've got 15 minutes, just cook them and eat them. Tastes decent to me. There you go. Lunch is served. Enjoy.